let's fast forward now. Let's say a year from now. So let's say it's May of 2021.
Okay.
What is going on at Vidya then? What's happening then? And how did this pivot in your mind, in your view, how has this pivot affected that?
Honestly, I didn't think that it was going to be as big as it has been. And so I'd say it's not going away by any means. So I think originally, it's going to be a smaller piece of the business, and it's just how things work out, I think, in life. You don't really plan it and it kind of overtakes. But I think, it's going to definitely be a product that we continue to carry because there's a need. And, I kind of related this to, we actually got a little bit of funding for this idea. And the concern was the same thing. So is this just some epiphany that you guys are going to do for a little bit and then it's going to go away? And to me, it's not going away because, as a new mom, like when a new mom has a baby, oftentimes hand sanitizer is that one thing that you always carry with you. And so I think now with COVID, that's everybody. And I don't think that's going away anytime soon. So I think there's going to be a need for it. So it's going to definitely be part of who we are and just, one of those other items in the purse that we will have as the brand. But we're still really heavily focused on the medical side. So from a hemp perspective, our goal always was to really get this into a light that is more clinically based, because that's I think who's going to survive in this market. There's so many like products out there that have X amount of the potency of milligrams of hemp and all these other things, and some of them work, some of them don't work. It's snake oil, so we really want to get to the point that we are a clinical based brand. So the next extension is still moving forward, and so we're working still with the other side. I mean, we've gotten consumed with where we're at, and so we paused obviously right now on that focus, but we're still working with a manufacturer on really developing a I don't know if I should say it, but we're developing a pill that will help with extended release. So
Okay.
really looking at really helping people to get off opioids and
Nice.
alcohol and all that kind of stuff. And so the studies are going to be starting. So we're it's becoming more of a health tech company at the end of the day. And so really looking at, the telehealth platform, which we do have today, configuring that for our space, and then basically working with clinicians in order to basically bring individual protocols for the hemp industry to our end patients, essentially.